We broke something we didn't understand. Blinded by progress, drunk on discovery, we built a machine that manipulated reality without understanding what reality was. Like cavemen with a nuclear warhead. The drive was designed to fold space, to contract the distance between stars by warping spacetime. We believed we could manipulate quantum fields, travel by fluctuations in the vacuum, compress reality around us. But our understanding was flawed. To us, it was instant. We expected the red dwarf Lalande 21185. Instead, we emerged into a void. No light, no reference points. The AI on board analyzed everything, data from the jump, the void, the space around us, and reached one conclusion. We assumed space and time were connected, but time isn't tied to space. It's tied to mass, to the Higgs field. Time is the rate at which the universe unravels, not a dimension we travel through. And we severed that connection. We removed ourselves from the Higgs field, from what makes reality tick. We vanished from time and reappeared at its end. And then, ships began appearing, not wrecks, vessels, active ships with crew, hundreds of thousands, maybe millions, different shapes, different eras, different species, all just as confused, all victims of the same mistake. First attempts at faster-than-light travel, executed in ignorance of what FTL really meant, disconnected from time, reconnected at the same point, the end. Then we saw it. A single point, motionless in the dark, emitting no light, but pulling every sensor toward it, screaming across every wavelength. A quantum knot, space-time tangled into itself, a singularity on the verge of collapse, or birth. We fired engines and turned away. The ship accelerated. Instruments tracked the anomaly. At first, we gained ground. Then the numbers changed. We were moving away, then suddenly toward it. We recalibrated. Same result. All of space had collapsed into a volume no larger than a solar system. Every direction curved, every vector looped, forward became backward. There was no escape. We weren't flying away. We were in orbit, around the beginning of everything. We had outlived our universe. The drive still functioned, so we made a choice, a shot in the dark. We activated it one final time, knowing it would return us to that purgatory outside of time, knowing we might never emerge, or worse, emerge into something that couldn't support us. There was no guarantee the new universe would obey the same laws of physics. No Higgs field, no mass, no time, no way to reconnect. But if even the faintest echo of the Higgs field existed, then maybe we'd find a foothold, maybe we'd wake up again. Not as the first, not as the last, but as something in between.